Good morning, class. We are studying lesson 6, Rocks and Minerals. In this chapter, we are doing exercise D, that is answer the following question. Among these question answers, we have already done question 1, 2 and 3, 4 in our last class. So today we will discuss from question number 5. Let's start. Write 2 uses of metallic minerals. Answer is 2 uses of metallic minerals are metals like aluminium and iron are used to make utensils. Metallic minerals are also used to make jewelry. Okay, so different metals are used in different purposes. So metals like aluminium and iron are used to make utensils. It is used in building material also. And metals like gold and silver are used to make jewelries. These you all know very well. Now question number 6. Describe the uses of rocks and minerals. Answer is uses of rocks and minerals are rocks and minerals are used as building material, means it is used as a thing which is used to make buildings. Our houses, schools, roads, bridges, etc. are made up of rocks. So, in all these places, we use rocks. Rocks gives us fuel like coal, petroleum and uranium. We get fuel, coal, petroleum and uranium from the rocks. Basically, these are non-metallic minerals. Coal we used in machines, in factories. Petroleum we used to run vehicles. Uranium we use generally in nuclear energy. Uranium is a mineral used to produce nuclear energy. So, second use of rock is this, that it gives us fuel. Rocks gives us gemstone. Gemstones are very precious stones. So, rocks gives us gemstones. Diamond, ruby, emerald and sapphire are the minerals used as gemstone. These are the gemstones which are very costly and we used in our jewelries, in our rings. So these are the gemstones which we get from the rocks itself. Now, question number 7. What is coal? How is it formed? And what are its uses? Answer is coal is a sedimentary rock. Millions of years ago, the earth was covered with thick swampy forest. Coal is a kind of sedimentary rock, means it is formed with the help of sediments. And how these sediments were formed? Millions of years ago, means it took millions of years. Earth was covered with thick swampy forest. थिक स्वैम्पी फॉरेस्ट विच इज़ वेरी डेंस, जो बहुत घना जंगल है, उससे अर्थ कवर्ड था. वेन द प्लांट डाइड दे फेल इन टू द स्वैम्प. स्वैम्प मीन्स खाई. सो वेन द प्लांट्स डाइड दे बिकम ओल्ड, दे बिकम वीक, और ड्यू टू सम रीजन्स दे फेल इन टू द स्वैम्प एंड गॉट बरीड डाउन. ड्यू टू हाई प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर these plants get converted into coal. So, because of the high pressure and temperature, these plants slowly, it took millions of years to get converted into coal. Now, uses of coal, where it is used. It is used as a fuel for cooking. It is used as a fuel for cooking, means we use coal for cooking purposes, for producing electricity, used in steam engine. These are the 3 main uses. We used coal for cooking purpose, for producing electricity and used in steam engine. So these are the uses of coal. Now question 8. What is petroleum? Gives its uses. Answer. It is also called crude oil, rock oil or black gold, means these are the other names of petroleum. It is called crude oil, rock oil or black gold. It is formed from the remains of dead plants and sea creature which got buried under the sea millions of years ago. How it is formed? When the plants died, when the animals or sea creatures died, they got buried under the sea. They just go, their dead bodies go into the seabeds, and slowly, after millions of years ago, they get converted into petroleum. It is mostly used as a fuel. The main use of petroleum is fuel in different forms like petrol, diesel and kerosene. These are the different form of using petroleum. Okay. So, in this way, we have completed all the question answers of this chapter. Now, the exercises we have already done. Only 2 exercises are there, that is let's do, in which what you have to do, you have to write S for sedimentary rock, I for igneous rock and M for metamorphic rock. So here the name of the rocks are given. You have already studied about these rocks. What you have to do, you have to mention the category of the type of the rock, which type of rock it is. If it is a sedimentary rock, you have to mention sedimentary. If it is a igneous rock, you have to mention igneous. And if it is a metamorphic rock, you have to mention M. Like granite, you all know it is a igneous rock. So you have to mention I over there. One I have done for you. Rest you have to done on your own on the basis of the study what you have done. Now, one more exercise is given here. Circle the odd one. Odd term means the thing which is not same among these 4, like igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock and slate. So all these 3 are main 3 types of rocks, and this is a subtype of rock. So this one is odd one. Slate is a odd one. In this way you have to done rest of these like granite, pumice, ruby and obsidian, diamond, gold, emerald and sapphire, sandstone, limestone, marble, shale, petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal. So you have to find on the basis of the study you have done of this chapter which is odd one. And if you have any problem, I'll help you in the next class. Thank you, class.